We're in Thailand. It's been 15 days since we arrived and we're absolutely loving it here already. I assume you clicked this video because you wanted to see our whole move to Thailand from Bali with all our dogs, with all our stuff. We gotta take it back to when it started a few months ago. So let's recap. I'm so excited. Are you ready to go?
No, you have no idea. You have no idea.
There's 6 days left till we take our flight and
Freaking out a bit.
the dogs actually leave in 2 days. It's a whole process here. Getting their crates ready. I'm so nervous already. Like at this point it's really sinking in, you know? I think the most stressful thing that I'm thinking about is like landing and getting the crates in our 3 suitcases and trying to make our way through the airport, just us two. Oof. Will all of these crates fit on those little pushy things? I guess we just have to find out there. Plus all of the anxious dogs. It's gonna be absolutely horrendous. We're just gonna feed off of each other's anxiety. A long ass journey, but I'm excited.
That's all I heard. That's all I heard. Oh my god. I have no idea what's about to happen. Bye, my baby. Bye. Oh, Bendo. Bye, my love. Mwah. I love you. Thank you. Bye. Mwah.
Angel.
I miss you so much. I miss you. I miss you. I miss you. I miss you.
Moving 4 dogs overseas isn't exactly simple. The first step was getting them into their travel crates, which, as you can imagine, was complete chaos with 4 sausage dogs running around. We had to coax them in with treats, calm them down, and make sure that their crate was cozy enough for the long trip ahead. Once they were finally packed up and ready, the agency stepped in and took over. They handled everything: the long 2-day drive to Jakarta, all the paperwork, and even helping us check the dogs in for their flight. It honestly felt so strange watching the car drive away without us, but at the same time, we knew they were in really good hands. Saying goodbye was the hardest part, but we just kept reminding ourselves that this was just a huge adventure for all of us. This was only the beginning of their big journey to Thailand, and there's no way we could have started our new chapter in Hua Hin without them.
Oh, my babies.
We'll see them in 4 days though, but that's gonna be the longest 4 days ever. I'm gonna cry, I swear. I missed him so much already.
2 days left to go. I look like a crusty mess. I've been wearing the same clothes for the last few days.
Same.
It's not my best moments right now. Dogs are almost at Jakarta. It's been so lonely without them here. Even this cat has been needy as hell. He's loving all the attention on him now that they're gone. He will be coming with us eventually as well. We just need to find our house first before we get him through all the stress. Like the dogs are okay because dogs adapt well, but cats are more tricky in that aspect. Today we're packing our bags. We're getting the whole house cleaned. Should I take Tigger? He looks a bit deranged and zombified. That's her childhood toy. My mum brought it to me like a year ago maybe.
It smells really bad.
I wish she hadn't brought it to me because like what am I supposed to do with that, you know?
That occupies so much. Could you not have like a little tiny toy? No.
I don't know what to do with it because I feel like it's the only part of my childhood that I actually have kept because usually I just like move on and let go. But that's been with me since childhood. You can stuff Keta in the suitcase instead of that. Ketita. Hey. Hi.
It was a very intense day today. The cleaners were done. We went for a nice dinner with our friends as a last goodbye. We came back and the mattresses were still soaking wet because they deep cleaned them, but it was a shitty day. It was raining so much, so they didn't have time to dry. We cannot sleep in them, so we did a little something. We're sleeping in the couch tonight.
It's not bad. It's a nice little setup we got here.
We have lots of things to do tomorrow. But I can't wait to be there and see the doggies. I miss them so much.
I feel bad for them. They have a lot of traveling left to go. They're gonna hate us.
Guys, good night.
Let's see what the next few days entail for us.
Mwah.
Currently in Pepito to get some snacks for the airport. Mari just ran in here. Let's see if we can find her. I have a feeling that she's this way. Aha! You are this way. Mari has a fascination of like needing snacks literally everywhere she goes.
Cause I feel like when I'm bored, I'm hungry. Cause we don't have the bike anymore. Now we have to walk home. I don't wanna walk. It's fine.
Have a great journey.
Why does he look so
Have a great trip. We'll come and see you.
Oh, I love you, Crash the
I love you too.
Aww. Jesus, that's heavy.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a heavy one, though.
My super strong mask.
Of course, I had to get the broken one.
I just have one. There's traffic even with the garritos. Next stop,
Jakarta.
see the doggies.
So this bitch fucking got the airline wrong. Waiting in line for like 30 minutes. And we get to the counter and she's like, oh no, you're in Super Airjet, not AirAsia. This was her responsibility.
I always do these things. I'm good at secretary booking stuff, but then the day that things happen, I'm just too nervous. I get fucked up. She's hating me now.
This is only the beginning and we've already fucked up. And now we're waiting again in line to check in.
Two persons, literally.
You know these people, they take forever. Anything else happens, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna combust. Got a nice shitty pizza. I'm gonna go check out the thingy, the TV. The departure information. Like honestly, she kind of scared me because she was like, yeah, it's delayed 2 hours. And I was like, what? So I had to go check myself and no, it's not. She's obviously looking at the wrong thingy. This girl, I don't know what goes through her head, but she's clearly not right. She's clearly not right in the head.
I'm not right.
Eat your pizza, eat your pizza. It's stressful. It's not even, the journey's not even stressful. It's like managing Mario stressful. I don't even have a chance to be stressed because she's doing it for the both of us.
It's 12:30 and flight's still not here. That's not a nice way to start this fucking adventure, that's for sure. We're fucking exhausted. It's freezing. It's so cold. Look at her. I swear, we're tired. My ass hurts. And we didn't even sat on the first fucking plane. I just want to be in that bed so bad. And I don't even know if it's comfy. We made it. Now we just need to go get the bags.
The hotel, and then do all this shit all over again tomorrow.
It's crazy to know that we're so close to the dogs. I can't wait for tomorrow.
I'm going to get into bed.
And just lay flat. We made it.
ASC. I just rip a huge fart.
Like 3:30 a.m. We're fucking destroyed. I just want a bed to sleep. At least it's breakfast included. That makes me happy. a shame that we're just gonna sleep for 6 hours. This looks comfy.
Early the next morning.
Morning. We're gonna get some breakfast and now we're gonna go get the doggies finally.
Little pen of chocolate. Little cupcakes. It's super good. Little donuts.
It's been so long since we had hotel breakfast. My stomach's feeling a little...
Same. It was that pizza.
Yeah, we think it's the Pizza Hut fantasy in the airport.
Wow. What do you expect?
I actually love cereal.
I hate papaya and she still made me eat it. She's like, it works really well when you have stomach pains. Is she like inventing this or anyone here agrees? She had to check chat to see if the papaya was actually good for my upset belly. And what did chat say?
You shouldn't have it if you have severe diarrhea. The fiber might make it worse. You just
Babe, if I'm pooping myself in the airport, it's gonna be your fault.
Alright, I'll catch it with my mouth.
Wait, what?
Okay, let's go on board here.
Come on. The excitement is real! I don't like that it's next to the road though.
It's okay, they don't need to go here. Okay, fine.
Put it.
Wait. Stressful.
This is stressful. It's just been like 5 minutes with them.
At least we have VIP.
Yeah, they're helping us so much. It's been great, to be honest. We don't even have to do the line.
For doggy.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you so much. We love you. Gato, you're doing amazing, sweetie. Frank is the worst right now. Hey, Ramita, you smell so bad. We've already checked them in though. We just have to like
Drop them.
drop them off. Hey, enough. We're here now.
Oh my god, it's been so long.
Oh, I got 3.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Ah. That was relaxing as hell.
That was nice, right?
It was like being beat up, but making love at the same time.
That was a good definition. We made it!
Have arrived.
It's been a very nice flight, to be honest. Now we're on the way to get our babies.
Through my favorite part, immigration.
Oh,
Yay.
Have one, have the other. It's missing one. We hear the dogs already. Ah! So we're supposed to take them with this. We have this. This is what I call happiness. For now, everything's going to plan, and that's good. We're gonna go find a taxi now. I missed you all so much. Oh my god. I saw. We keep on paying and paying and paying. Now we had to pay 10,000 baht.
I ain't got no money.
These babies are expensive. We made it! Almost there! We're almost home!
It's my ride, bro. This is a nice ride.
This is comfy.
It's gorgeous.
Oh my goodness.
She's been smelling like, where is it? I know it's here.
Okay, you can have it. You can have it.
Oh, we made it.
to our little temporary house, and it's, you know, it will do. It took us a while to get in because we were struggling to find the entrance, this and that, super dark, there's no one around. But yeah,
I know you're hungry.
we're living a bit ratchet right now, putting the food out.
Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna have to go to the dog shop to buy things. I'm disappointed in one thing of this house that's gonna give me nightmares. Anyone that watched the episode where we explored houses in Hua Hin and remembers that moment where I was sitting in that crunchy bed, well, maybe we have another one like same thing.
That was the most terrible fucking
Exploration.
yeah. I almost gave myself a concussion from laying on this. Oh, I'm gonna have really bad back pain from laying on this bed. But that just forces us to work hard so we can get the fuck out of here quicker. But after that whole move,
We broke.
but at least we're here. But yeah, that's kind of like concludes our travel vlog. Wish us luck.
Well, that was it. I hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure to give this video a like. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification so you don't miss any of the videos that they're coming. This was the end of this video, but the beginning of our whole Thailand journey. So we're gonna have a lot of cool videos coming out. Yeah. Hey, bye. Love you.